Good evening. In the last videos, I think we started second chapter, right? Second chapter, which is nothing but sample algorithms and implementations. Sample algorithms and implementations. As a part of this, I covered the first program, which is nothing but to implement a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. And second, we have how many approaches are there for that? We have three approaches we covered. What is the next one? How to find out maximum of two numbers also I covered. Okay, which is going to take two numbers and it is going to return maximum value. Next and after that, how to calculate maximum of three numbers also I covered very clearly. Okay, so these are the three algorithms. Even maximum of four numbers also I covered. These are the four programs which we covered in the last sessions. Are you clear with these four programs? Please confirm. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So
Yes,
next,
sir.
I want to implement a program, okay, to swap given two integer values. Okay, I want to implement a program to swap given two integer values. Let us see how we can able to do this swapping operation. So for this, I am going to take one simple Python program. Let us have a look first. Sir, first step, I am going to read the value of a from the user. Since they are asking about two integer values, so enter a value like this I am taking. So then b is equal to, I am taking int of input, enter b value, something like this I am asking. So we are reading a value and b value from the user. Okay, we are reading a value and b value from the user. After that, what we have to do? We are going to call a function one where I am passing a comma b. This function is going to receive those two numbers. What is those two numbers? A comma b. See, I am printing one formatted string saying before swapping. Okay, like before swapping, the value of a is nothing but a, and the value of b is nothing but b. Like this I am taking. Sir, same line I want to repeat after swapping. That means after doing swapping operation, what is the value of a and what is the value of b? Sir, here first I will store the value of a in the temporary variable. Then I will copy the value of b into the temporary variable, and I will copy the value of t into the temporary variable. Like this we are going to see. Now observe carefully. I am going to explain this logic, how it is going to work. Assume here we are passing a value as a 1 and b value as a 2. Now what will happen? T is equal to a. What is the a value, sir? Is it a 2? What is the b value, sir? So what is the value of a? We have passed 1. What is the value of b? We have passed 2. So the output before swapping, it is 1, 2. Now t is equal to, sir, which value we are copying into the t? A value, which is nothing but 1. Then a is equal to, we are copying b value into a. What is the b value? 2. Then we are copying t value into b. So we are taking b is equal to t value. What is the t value? 1. Have you observed? Before swapping, what is the value of a and b? 1 and then 2. Now what will happen? The output we got 2 and 1. Sir, is these two values are interchanged or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to swap two integer values. Can you please confirm? Is the concept is clear up to this whatever we covered?
Yes, sir.
Is the concept is clear up to this whatever we covered?
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Sir, everyone please confirm. Let us execute this code. So first I am going to run the program. Enter a value, I am giving 10. Enter b value 20. Sir, what output we are getting? Function 1 is not defined. Have you observed? I have taken spelling mistake. Now let us run the code. So enter a value 1, enter b value 2. So we are getting before swapping a value. Okay, before swapping I think A is equal to, if you take like this, we can see the result. And after swapping, A is equal to and B is equal to, like this I am taking. Now let us run the code. Sir, are you seeing the difference? Before swapping, A value is 1, B value is 2. After swapping, A value is 2, B value is 1. Like this we got. I think you people got a very clear idea how we can able to implement a swapping of two numbers. But don't worry, we have multiple ways are there to solve the problem. Sir, is the first logic, is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Is the first logic is clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let us go for the second logic. What is the second logic here is I am taking function 2, I am taking A comma B. Sir, same function I am going to take. Whatever content is there, same thing I am taking. But here I want to change the logic. See, in previous case, what is the name of this logic is by using temporary variable. By using temporary variable, I swapped the two values. Now I don't want to take temporary variable. I want to swap by using addition and subtraction operations. Yes, we can do addition and subtraction operation to implement this. How to do that? A is equal to, I am taking A plus B. B is equal to, I am taking A minus B. A is equal to, I am taking A minus B. Like this we have to take. Sir, let us take the values for example sake. Assume I am taking A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Sir, what is the first instruction that we have? A is equal to A value and B value I am adding and I am storing in the A. 2 plus 3 will become 5. Like this we have. Sir, after this what I am doing? I am subtracting the value of A from the B. What is the latest value of A? It is 5. Before doing this operation, anyway, we printed the values. Now, whatever A plus B you calculated, that value will be stored in the A. That means it will be updated. Next, B is equal to A minus B. What is the latest value of A? 5. Minus, what is the latest value of B? 3. 5 minus 3 will become 2. That will be updated to B. Okay. What is the third line? A is equal to, sir, what is the latest value of A? It is 5 only. What is the latest value of B? It is 2. 5 minus 2 will become 3. So that value will be updated. Sir, now you can see what is the A value, sir? 3. What is the B value? 2. Is the values got interchanged or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to perform swapping of two numbers by using addition and subtraction. Are you clear with this approach? Theoretically, is it clear for you people? Yes, please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So let us see practically how you can able to implement this. Already we implemented the code. Just we have to run the program and we have to check. Anyway, I am commenting on the first function. Let us check second function. I will give input as a 4 and 5. Are you seeing A is equal to 5, 4, B is equal to 5? Is these two values got interchanged or not? Yes. This is nothing but what we have here. So now we are going to see the third logic. So I am calling function 3 by passing A comma B, and here I am going to take function 3. What is the third function? Very simple. I am taking third function like function 3. So by using multiplication and division operation. Yes, we can do multiplication and division operation also. Sir, in the place of A plus B, I am taking A star. In the place of A minus B, A by. Sir, don't take a single slash because you know in Python, single slash will always return floating point value. So we have to take a double slash. We have to take a double slash. Now let us see what will happen. See, I am taking the value of A is equal to something like 5. and the value of B I am taking 4. Now observe carefully. First, before printing, sir, before swapping, what will happen? We are getting 5 and 4. Now you can see I am multiplying the value of A with B and the result I am storing in the A. That means A is equal to 5 into 4, which is nothing but 20. That I updated to A. So what is the next one? A double slash B. A value is 20. Okay. So 20 by 4, which is nothing but 5. Right? This value I am updating to B. Then again A is equal to A by B. What is the value of A? 20. So 20 by 5, because the latest value of B is 5. 20 by 5 will become 4. So the value what we are getting is 4. Sir, now if you are asking what is the value of A4, what is the value of B5? Have you observed? Before and after swapping, you got the result like this. Hope everyone got a clarity about this. Let us execute this code. Enter A value. I am giving 10. Enter B value 20. Sir, I enabled, right? Yes. You can see before swapping 10 and 20, after swapping 20 and 10. Like this we have. Sir, everyone got a clarity about the third logic also, right? Please confirm. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we can also do the same using comma operator also.
Yeah, we can do that, sir. In a single line also, we can do that. I will explain. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So this is nothing but the third approach. So we have one more method is there. What is that method is function 4. Just I am passing A comma B and I want to define the fourth function. What is the fourth function that we have? By using, okay, by using, do you know bitwise operators? By using bitwise operators also we can do. So A is equal to A cap B, again B is equal to A cap B, A is equal to A cap B. Like this we have to take. So let us see what will happen. Let us take one simple example for you to understand. Assume A is equal to 9. What is the binary equivalent of this? 8421, right? So 8421, like this we are taking. Let us take the value of A is equal to 6. So 84, okay, 21. I think better to take 7. Then what will happen? So 8421, like this we have. Now, what is the first operation? Is A is equal to A cap B. Sir, what is this A cap B? If you take AND operation, if you have 1 1, then the result is 1. In the remaining cases 0 1 or 1 0 or 0 0, you are going to get 0. If you take OR operation, if it is 1 1 or 1 0 or 0 1, you are going to get 1. In the last case, we are going to get 0. If you take cap operation, if it is 1 0 and 0 1, we are going to get 1. If it is 0 0 or 1 1, we are going to get 0. This is nothing but what we have. Now observe carefully. I am taking A cap B. Since we are talking about this operation, what is that A cap B? Sir, your A value is 1001. Your B value is 0111. Sir, what is the cap operation? If the bits are in the opposite direction, then only your result will become 1. Now you can see 1 1. Sir, it is 0. 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Like this we have. So what is the value of this one? 1110, right? What about the second one? Take the latest value of A, which is nothing but 1110. Before, what is the output, sir? 9 and then 7. Now take the latest value of B, 0111. 1 0, 1, and here 0, here 0, here 1. What is the latest value of B? 1001 we are getting. What is the third instruction? Again A cap B, store the result in A. What is the A value? 3110. What is the B value? 1001. Sir, perform cap operation. 0 or 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. So can I say this is nothing but a value? Yes. Sir, what is the decimal equivalent of this? Can I say is it 7? Yes. What is the decimal equivalent of this? It is 9. Now what is the latest value of A? 7. What is the latest value of B? 9. Like that we can able to do. I think you people got a very clear clarity about this cap operation. Are you clear with this bitwise exclusive OR operation?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let us execute this code and check whether it is working or not. Enter a value 2, enter a value 3. Sir, is it coming or not? Yes. If you want our previous example, 9, 7, it will work. For any numbers, it will work, sir. Just you have to practice. That's all. Okay. And last approach, we have one more method is there, which is nothing but which will take a comma b and it is going to perform swapping. Is there any inbuilt function for this? No, no such in. We don't have. So DEF FUN5, which is taking a comma b. So here by using single line we can what is that is very simple. In Python only this option is there. A comma b is equal to we can take b comma a, like this we have. Okay, like this we have. Sir, let us see how it is going to work. If you run the program, enter a value 4, enter b value 5, you can see before swapping a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5. After swapping a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. Like this we have. This is the way how you can able to swap. I think everyone got a clarity about this swapping of two numbers, how you can able to work. Any doubts, friends? Is this a small application? Is it clear for you people? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, so the next one, sixth example, I want to generate Fibonacci. Okay. Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence. I think everyone knows about Fibonacci sequence, right? Anyone, can you please tell me what is the Fibonacci sequence, sir? Yes.
The sum of two previous terms.
Good. Sum of previous two numbers is nothing but what? Your result. Sir, first two numbers for that is 0 and 1. First two numbers for that is nothing but 0 and 1. I am taking the first number as a 0, second number as a 1. Sum of these two numbers is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, which is nothing but 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Like this we have. So this is nothing but what we can call it as a Fibonacci sequence. Are you clear with this sequence? Is the concept is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We will see how to implement this program. We will see how to implement this program. Very simple, sir. We have to take one function. I am going to read n is equal to int of input. So enter n value. Enter n value. We are going to read the value of n. And we are going to call a function. Okay, we are going to call a function by passing n value. So we are sending the value of n here. N will be sent as a input. Now this function is going to generate one Fibonacci sequence and I will put all the sequence in the list. At last I will return the list. Observe carefully. This function is going to take a list and we are going to generate the Fibonacci sequence. That sequence of numbers we are appending into the list and finally we will print that list. That is nothing but our requirement what we have here. Let us see how we are going to do that. I am taking a function. for each I value in the range of n. Okay. Sir, to do this, I want to take some terms like a is equal to I am taking -1, b is equal to I am taking +1. In middle, I will calculate the value of c, which is nothing but a plus b, and I will append that value of c into the list, and I am taking a is equal to b, b is equal to c. That's all, sir. This is nothing but a simple Fibonacci sequence. But don't worry, I will explain line by line. Observe carefully. Sir, initially I have a list with empty values. What is the initial value of A, sir? Is it -1 or not? Yes. What is the value of B? It is +1. Assume the value of n is equal to I have given 5. So first time, what is the value of I? 0, right? When 0th time, 4 lines are there to execute. What is the first line? C is equal to A plus B. What is the A value? -1. What is the B value? +1. If you add these two, we will get 0, right? That 0 we are appending to the C. Then what we are doing? We are copying B value to A. What is the B value? 1. This will be copied to A. And we are copying C value to B. What is the C value? 0. That we copied here. Next, what will happen? Your I value will become 1. Again, the loop is going to repeat. Now, what is the C value? A plus B. A value is 1. B value is 0. 1 plus 0 will become 1. That will be updated. And we are putting that. Sir, next what will happen? When I is equal to 2, again this process repeat. But before this, 0 value will be copied here and 1 value will be copied. And now, what is the value of I2? Second time it is running. A plus B. A value is 0. B value is 1. These two are added and the result is stored in 1. Then what we are going to do? Sir, this 1 we are going to insert in the list. Sir, again for I is equal to 3. But before that, this 1 value will be copied here. This 1 value will be copied here. Now what will happen? We are adding A plus B, which is nothing but 1 plus 1. 2 we are going to push it into the result. Sir, after that, what we are doing? Very simple, sir. We will append that C. So next time, we are copying the value of B. Like that, this process will be repeated. Okay. I think everyone got a clarity how this sequence is going to be generated. So since we have given n is equal to 5, you may get up to 5 numbers. Are you clear with this, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts up to this? Please confirm.
No, that's clear.
Right. So let us go for executable code of this. Okay. So now I'm going to run the program by giving input as a 5. You can see total how many values we got? We got 5 values. Now I'm going to give input as a 10. Sir, are you getting 10 Fibonacci sequences or not? Yes, you can see every digit is available here. Every digit is available here. This is the way how we can able to generate Fibonacci sequence. Sir, now I want to generate one more sequence like this, which is nothing but a Fibonacci sequence. So here there is a small difference will be there, except that nothing. Can anyone guess what is that Fibonacci sequence?
Maybe first three term.
Hmm?
Maybe first three term addition.
Yes, that's all. First 3 terms are 0, 1, 2. Okay, first 3 terms are 0, 1, 2. How to get third number? By adding the previous 3 digits. 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. Can you please guess what is the third next number? What is the next number? Previous 3 numbers sum.
6.
6. What is the next number?
11.
11, right? What is the next number? Can I say, is it a 20? Like this, we have to get. How to generate this sequence? It is same like previous program. Additionally, we have to take one more variable. Okay. So D will become A plus B plus C. We have to append the value of D. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, and we have to take C is equal to D. That's all. The beginning numbers, let me take -1, 0, and then +1. Let us try whether it is going to work or not. The initial value of A is -1, and the initial value of B is nothing but 0, and the initial value of C is 1. So D value, by adding all these things, so 0 will be the first number. What about second number? A value, B value we are copying to A, and C value we are copying to B, and D value we are copying to C. These three numbers addition, which is nothing but 1. Next term, 1 will be copied here, 0 will be copied here, 1 will come here. Sum of these. Can I say, is it 2? Yes. What about next number? 0 will be copied here, 1 will come here, 2 will come here. What is the sum? 3. Next time 1 will go here, 2 will come here, 3 will come here. Sir, what is the sum? 6. Can I say, is it a Fibonacci sequence or not? Yes. If you want, let me run this code and cross check really whether we are getting this output or not. So if I am giving input as a 5, this is the Fibonacci sequence. If I am giving 10, so you can see every number is the sum of previous 3 numbers. Starting from the first number I calculated. So everyone please confirm, are you clear with this logic?
Yes, sir.
Someone, Kumar Gupta, you implemented by using recursion, right? Anyway, while discussing about the recursion also, we will implement this program. There you can use that solution, whatever you generated. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Sir, everyone please confirm. Any doubts up to this, whatever I covered?
Got it, sir.
Right, sir. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session. Sir, this week I'm going to take the classes very slowly because I already told we announced another batch at 6 o'clock. I need to combine these two batches from the Monday onwards. That's why to cope up with the syllabus, just I'm going to take some less time. But don't worry, from the Monday onwards, our class will be regularized for 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes like that. Till that, slowly I'm going to take. Please practice up to this whatever we covered. Okay.
Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you. I will upload the running notes within few minutes. You can download. Thank you, friends. Good night.
Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
Great, sir.